You've got a hardware idea and someone's told you it will take 12 to 18 months to build. That is just not true, and I can prove it. Hi, my name is Usari Malamgir. I run Quickgen Technologies, a product design and development powerhouse. They take startups from ideas to ship products in less than 6 weeks every time. I boast over 6 years in the field with more than 150 startups and millions in ARR generated for our clients. We built a fully functional Android smartphone with Rockchip processor, a 12-layer PCB, eMMC storage, and a full software stack from scratch in 3 weeks. First build, zero rework, and ship to market as V 1.0. In hardware, that almost never happens. At Quickgen, we don't guess, we engineer. What we handle for you includes end-to-end PCB design and hardware development, processors and SoC integration, embedded firmware development, prototyping, testing, and manufacturing support, including 3D CAD designs, and that too all in-house under one roof. And before you go to market, we handle the pre-compliance EMC and EMI testing, full QA protocols, FCC and CE certification support. Our most clients have a working MVP in 4 to 6 weeks, not months, weeks. If that's a team that you've been looking for, send me a message, book a free discovery call, and let's build this.